In this video, you'll learn how to create and apply a validation rule in Qlik Talend Cloud to improve data quality. To get started, from the Creation page, select Validation Rule. Give the rule a name, select the appropriate space, and set the severity and category. Optionally, add a description to explain the purpose of the rule. Enable Define Conditions to activate the If and Then sections. In the If section, add a variable named age and define two conditions, age greater than or equal to 18 and age less than or equal to 70. In this example, we want to ensure that a customer is marked as active only if the customer's age is between 18 and 70. In the Then section, add a variable named isActive and set the condition text equals yes. Leave the Else section empty and click Create to save the rule. Next, open your customer dataset and go to the Data Preview tab. Select the isActive field and click Apply Validation Rule from the right panel. Associate the variables with the dataset fields age to age and isActive to isActive. When you're done, click Refresh to run the validation. The quality bar now shows valid, invalid, and non-applicable values based on the rule logic. Invalid values are highlighted in red. Click them to understand which rule caused the issue. Validation rules help enforce business logic, detect anomalies, and improve trust in your data. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.